What it do, y'all? It's your boy Stank815 Fishing, and I'm back with another video. If y'all new to this channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, get notified when I do these videos. Today, I got Junior over here with me today. We got little Mookie hanging out. We're about to take the old motor. They got the blown head gasket. We're about to take that off and replace it with the new 70 horse motor right here. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be bringing y'all updates on as we get the motor off. Me and Junior got to kind of remember how everything goes. Kind of map it out. It's basically the same motor, you guys. This is a Johnson 70 horse, and this is an Evinrude. I'm taking this off too, Junior.
What's that?
I'm putting it on this one.
Yeah, because he did scratch it up a little bit right here. You can see he scratched it up towards that motor. Yeah. He chipped that motor, Stank.
Yeah.
What? Wait, is your stuff a water?
I probably could take the propeller off, but I'll just keep it for a spare.
Your Hellcat was chipped. They chipped one of your tires.
Yeah. But y'all stay tuned. We're getting it done. I'm going to have to help Junior, so stay tuned. All right, you guys. Junior doing most of the work. Let's just say 5% of the work. I'm doing 95% of the work. But we got everything took apart, as y'all can see. For anybody that's trying to get a boat, man, like I said in the last video, just know you're going to spend money. Junior tell you, I've been spending a lot of money on this boat. I spent $500. Was supposed to have the boat redone, but we all know that was a lie. But I think I'm going to take these spark plugs in. Think I should change them? Yeah, they don't look bad.
Well, keep them in there, though.
Yeah, I'm keeping them.
So
Well,
we have to change them. We'll change them then.
Yeah. But you guys, yeah, Junior doing this thing with this motor. He got everything on hook. Basically, I got the same motor. So all we had to do was unhook everything. The control right here say Evinrude, but we're going to keep that on there, but it's a Johnson. But it say Evinrude, but we're going to leave it on there. And lace, Junior could pop the sticker off or something. But no, we leave it on there. But yeah, I just want to bring y'all an update. Don't be discouraged. When you go buy a boat, make sure, or a motor, you guys make sure y'all test the motor. Make sure it got like 120 PSI. Make sure before you get the motor that it run good, everything run good. Don't be like me, just go buy something and just take the person's word for it and the person lied to me. But I got a whole nother 70 horse over here, Johnson, as you can see. And we about to switch them out. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we got the motor up there. This is the moment of truth right here. We about to see if this bad boy gonna fire up. Let's see. Work done by Junior. Junior did the work, you guys. Let's see. Let you guys see. Okay, man. I didn't even pump the gas.
I bumped it twice.
Uh-oh. They're doing the same thing. Let's see.
Turn your choke up.
Oh, you God. My bad, Joey. It ain't starting. There you go. Got water. There it come out. The water come out right here. You didn't do it all the way?
That's more.
Huh?
Wasn't no water coming out?
Now it is.